Hey Sophian, how are you?
Hey Fatma, I'm very well. Are you ready for the first lesson?
Sure, I can't wait.
Okay, my dad is waiting for us in his office. Let's go to him. Hey Dad.
Hey Sophian. Hey Fatma, are you ready for the new world with Scratch?
Sure, let's do it.
Okay, I will teach you a simple game, and in each session, we will learn and make part of this game. First, I will show you how the game will be at the end. So, this is the Collect Fruits game, and how it will look in the end. And we will make it together step by step. Today we will learn the first part. Scratch is a block language, which means that it's a couple of blocks, separated into groups, and we can choose from those blocks to create our games or stories. When we open the Scratch, we find that it contains a couple of areas. This one is for groups like motion, looks, sounds, and so on. Each group has a couple of blocks. When we click motion, for example, we can see a lot of blocks related to the motion group. The next area is the code area, where we add the blocks for each sprite. For example, when we add this block to the code area and click, we face that the cat sprite in the presentation area moves to the right. And this presentation area, or theater, is responsible for representing how the code run and its effect on the sprite. And this area called the sprites area, we can add and remove sprites as we will see. The last area is the backgrounds area, to change the backgrounds. Let's start the first part of our new game. First, we need to delete the cat sprite by clicking on this small icon. There are 4 ways to add sprites. Today, we will learn 2 of them. The first way is by clicking this icon and choose from the sprites. This, for example. The second way, we can choose the sprite from our computer. If we click here and choose the file like this, we can change the size of the sprite by changing its size from here, like this. Our mission now is how to move the sprite right, lift, up, and down using the keyboard. We will delete this sprite. First, you have to go to the events group and drop down this block. This block means that when we click the space button, action will happen. And we can change the space button by choosing from this list. We will choose the up arrow button. Then we have to go to the motion group and drop down this block. This block means change the sprite up by 10. We will add it to the first block, like this. Now, these blocks together mean, when we click the up arrow button, the sprite moves up. We need to repeat this step for moving down, right, and left. So, we will go to the events group and drop down 3 from the same blocks. And change the space button 1 for moving down, and 1 for moving right, and the last 1 for moving left. We will return again to the motion group and drop down 1 block, change Y by 10, and change 10 with -10 for moving down. We will return again to the motion group and drop down 1 block, change Y by 10, and change 10 with -10 for moving down. Then we add this block to this. We need 2 blocks for moving right and left. So, we will drop down 2 blocks, change X by 10. This block means changing the basket sprite with 10. We will add it to this block and change 10 to -10 for moving left, and adding to this block. Now, we can move the basket in all directions, as you can see. And this is the end of the first lesson. I hope you are enjoying it. And see you next time.
Yes. I enjoy it a lot. Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Bye, Dad.